So question 114, another geometric sequence here. So we're told that the sum of the first three terms of this geometric sequence is 87.5% of the sum to infinity. So we can write down an equation which encapsulates that. There it is. The sum of the first three terms, that's the first term plus the second term plus the third term, is 87.5%, which is 0.875, and the sum to infinity of a geometric sequence is just a over 1 minus r. So I can multiply both sides by 1 minus r, and I can also simplify this because this quadratic factor here has got a as a factor within it. So we can take that a outside of the brackets and then divide both sides of this equation by a, and that gives us a slightly simpler equation. Now when I multiply the brackets out, I get this, and luckily we've got some terms which cancel. So I'm left with 1 minus r cubed is 0.875. So that tells me that r cubed is 1 minus 0.875, from which I can work out r. So there's r equals 0.5. So we found the common ratio. So now we're also told that the sum to infinity of the sequence is 3000. So that means that a over 1 minus r is 3000. And from there, if we know what r is, we can say that r is that a is 3000 times 0.5, which is 1500. So we found a and r now, and the last part of the question is to find the sum of the first 5 terms. So that's S5, which is a times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So that's 2906.25. Okay, so there we are.